how to fix local security authority protection is off. This might be because of the latest Windows update, and the first thing that you can do is to go to Windows Update and uninstall the latest updates. And go to Windows Update, and here pick up the update history, scroll it down, and here you can see uninstall updates option, and choose your latest Windows Update file and click on uninstall. This should solve the problem. The second thing that you can do is to repair and reset the Windows security. For that, go to Windows Security, right click on the app and go to App Settings. And scroll it down. Here you can see repair and reset option. Firstly, click on repair, and after that click to reset, and this should help to fix your security authority protection problem. And if this does not help, the last option is to change the registry editors. For that, go to the registry editor and open it. And after you are here, go to HP local machine, click on it and double click on it, and go to system and go to card and control set, and after that go to control, and from here find RSA file, and here you will see run as PPO file. Just double click on the file. For example, this will be, if this is run as PPO file, the change the value from 1 to 2 and click OK, and after that right click and click on new and click on the word 32 value and rename it to run as PPL boot, and hit enter and change this value to 2 and click OK, and after that restart your system.